Today will be another beautiful day with mostly sunny skies, still very comfortable as the humidity will be low and our high will top off at 86 degrees. Tomorrow near 90 degrees, slightly more humid. And as you see, there will be the chance of some isolated thunderstorms as we go throughout the day on Tuesday. However, it's Wednesday and Thursday that we have the best opportunity for storms this week as a cold front passes. Once that cold front goes through, Friday the humidity drops again with sunshine. Temperatures straight across the board this week in the 80s.